Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust call ringtone volume on brand new iPhone 16e. Friends, when you receive an incoming call, the ringtone sound is very low or volume down gradually. This is the special features of iPhone, which is happen through your face recognition. If you look at the iPhone, your ringtone volume will decrease. If you are not looking at the iPhone, or if the iPhone is in your pocket, the ringtone will play louder. So, first of all, we will check the ringtone volume on our iPhone. To adjust the ringtone volume, go to iPhone settings. After opening the settings, scroll down. Then tap on Sound and Haptic. From here, you can adjust the ringtone and notification alert sound as per your need. Also check whether your phone is in ringing mode or silent mode. If it is in silent mode, now set it to ringing mode. After that, check your call ringtone sound. If still not resolved, then turn off the special features. To turning off the settings, go back. Then scroll down. Here you will get Face ID and passcode option. Tap on it. After that, enter your iPhone passcode here. Then scroll down again and turn off Attention AOR features. After that, your phone will be ringing at the same volume for incoming call and notification alert. So guys, in this way you can adjust volume level on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.